What's up guys, my name is Brock, you're watching The Modest Man, and today we're unboxing some sneakers from the brand GREATS. So we're gonna open up 4 new pairs of sneakers from the brand GREATS. We're gonna unbox them, see what they look like, and then I'll show you how I would style each pair. I've worn GREATS shoes now for a while. I'm a big fan of the brand, big fan of what they do and their entire mission and their aesthetic. So I was really excited when they offered to sponsor a video on this channel. You know, when you have a YouTube channel, when you get to a certain size, sponsors start coming out of the woodwork, potential sponsors. And the best case scenario is when a brand that you already know and love wants to show their support by sponsoring a video. And that's exactly what happened here. GREATS was founded in Brooklyn, so all of their shoes are designed right here in New York, and they made a name for themselves with their most popular silhouette, the Royale. The Royale is a great choice for anybody who loves the common projects look and silhouette, but can't stomach the high price tag for that designer label. Made in Italy from premium leather and fully leather lined, the Royale is way better than something like the Adidas Stan Smith. So if you're going to buy yourself a minimal leather sneaker and you're thinking about something like the Stan Smith, I highly recommend spending just a little more and getting the GREATS Royale. I know the whole affordable luxury thing has been taken too far, but GREATS truly is offering designer quality at a very fair price. Now, if it's your first pair of leather sneakers, I would go with all white. You really can't beat that colorway. Super versatile, you can wear it all year round and with anything. I already have some all white sneakers, so I wanted to try some different options today from GREATS. And so I got 4 pairs, all different colors, different styles, and I'm excited to open them up and see what they look like. Today we'll be looking at the classic Royale in chocolate, the Knit in gray, the High gum in cloud, and the Shearling in olive gum. For reference, I find that GREATS sneakers run true to my dress shoe size. So for example, I wear a 7 in the Allen Edmonds Park Avenue, and a 7 in GREATS fits me well. Let's open them up, see what they look like fresh out of the box, and then put together an outfit for each pair. Starting with the Royale in chocolate. I saw this one on the website and just had to check it out. I love the deep brown color with that off-white sole. And you know that these waxed laces are just gonna get better and better over time as they develop a nice patina. This is an awesome color. It's gonna look great with denim and chinos. I think it's gonna look especially great with dark blue denim. And this brown is dark enough that you can definitely wear it with black as well. Next up, we have the Royale Knit in gray and white. Now, the knit upper on this sneaker is made from recycled ocean and single-use plastics, which is really cool. GREATS is actually on a mission to reduce their carbon footprint by shifting toward a more eco-friendly production process, and the knit is part of this mission. It's soft and breathable, so it would probably be comfortable to wear even when it's really hot outside, and apparently you can wash these and just let them air dry, which makes keeping them fresh a lot easier. Now, I really like the light gray and white combo. It's just slightly different than an all white sneaker, but it's just as versatile. You can wear these with any color, but I think they're gonna look especially nice with light wash denim. Our next pair is the Royale High gum in cloud. So this is the high top version of the Royale, and this one has a gum sole. I don't know why exactly, but I really love the gum sole. I think it looks awesome with white, really any color, but especially like this slightly off-white, this kind of cool gray upper. Just like with the low top version, this one has the Ortholite insole, so it's gonna be really comfortable right out of the box. It's got those waxed cotton laces that are really durable. The upper is a soft tumbled leather, so it's got a little bit more texture to it than other leathers, and it's really comfortable actually right out of the box. I've been wearing these ones for a few days now, and they're quickly becoming a new favorite. I actually don't have any high top sneakers. This is my first pair in a long time, so I'm looking forward to wearing these around, especially in the winter. And last but not least, something a little different, the Royale Shearling in olive. Maybe it was a particularly cold day outside when I was browsing greats.com, but I saw these Shearling line sneakers and had to try a pair. So they have the same Royale silhouette that we know and love, but the upper is a soft Italian nubuck, and there's a genuine Shearling collar added for warmth. So there's this kind of warm Shearling around the top of the shoe. They also have that nice gum sole, which looks really nice with the olive upper, something about that gum color and olive that just goes really perfectly together. Now these are definitely a colder weather sneaker because they have that Shearling lining, so you probably wouldn't want to wear them if it's like really hot in summer, but I'm really looking forward to putting them on my feet this winter. The olive color is gonna work well with any shade of brown or tan. It's gonna work well with any shade of blue, so like jeans or navy chinos. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and try-on of GREATS sneakers. Like I said, I'm really a big fan of this brand, and I have been for a few years now. So, happy to have them on the channel as a sponsor. I'll link to all 4 pairs down below in the description. So if you are in the need for a new pair of sneakers, definitely recommend checking out GREATS. Also, happy holidays to you and your family and your friends. I hope you get some time off of work and just really enjoy the holiday season. It's a great time of year, so, really try to cherish it. Thank you as always for watching, and until next time, stay stylish.